how to use AI content gap analysis of WriteSonic. So just head over right here to SEO tools and then click on this content gap analysis. Now from in there, you should be able to see the content gap wherein you can add your content's publicly available link. So you can add conflict, content text as well as upload content file. So I have in here this, so I'll head over and click on the URL, right click on it and click on copy. From in there, let's head over right here and then paste right here the link that we have copied. So as you can see, it uses 60 credits, but the first 5 generations are free, so you can head over and click on next. So as you can see as well, this is only available to the professional plan, and you can see here all the plan that they have. So you can see in here if it's billed monthly as well as billed annually. So they also have some promotions for 2 months free if you want. Now from in here, you should be able to get the content gap that is actually available on this particular article that you can see right here. So you can also add your own competitors as well as the topic that you want to cover. So that's how you use AI content gap analysis of WriteSonic. Hope we help.